Hi friends, I'm Tirak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the dollar symbol on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the dollar symbol in your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet, I'm just going to show in this video. So there is a two way that you can just insert the dollar currency symbol on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. The first way, you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Then you just need to click on the special character. Now you just need to change the character block to the currency symbol you can find here. So now you can find the dollar symbol here. This is one of the way. If you can't find here, you just can type as dollar on the search. So here you can just insert the dollar sign symbol directly, and then you can see it will be on the favorites, or it will be used on the reasons. So you can just click it again and you can just insert the dollar symbol again and again, or you can just copy and paste. Otherwise, you have this keyboard shortcut as shift plus 4. Just click on the shift key plus 4, so you can just insert the dollar symbol. These are the two ways that you can just insert the dollar symbol on your LibreOffice calc spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.